So the chatbot is the section that helps you automate several tasks on your WhatsApp. So it's, for instance, when people send you a message, it helps you do certain things based on what you set. So some of the functions of the chatbot include provide the automatic response when people send you a message based on what they sent, and a couple of other things which we are going to discuss in this video. First thing you want to do is to click on create a welcome menu. So the welcome menu is the message which people get when they message you for the first time in 24 hours, or the message they get when they send stuff like hi, good morning, hello. So it's like the introduction message about your business. So first thing we want to do is to set up our welcome menu. Let me say hi at name. Welcome to Mike. How may we help you today? So yes, so I'm going to create several menus. Our services, let's say location, place, or order. Then click, let's just stop at that. Or let's say, okay, let's change this to subscribe to our mail. Subscribe for mailing. Then I can save it. So yes, that would be that's our welcome menu. That's the first message people get when they message us for the first time in 24 hours, or when they send hi or hello. So yes, we've created our welcome menu, and you can see some of the menus which I created under the welcome menu as our service, subscribe for our mailing list, and place an order. So I'm going to click on our service, and you can also try and send hi to get the welcome. You can also set that up on your end. Make sure your WhatsApp is connected. Set it up on your end and set the several menus under your welcome menus and send hi to see how it works. So yes, after doing that, so our service. So when somebody select our service by sending one, the way to be arranged is one for our service, two for our mailing list, and one for our service, two for our mailing list, three for place and order. So when somebody select this option, what is going to happen? So we're going to click add action. Type of action. It's going to ask you to select type of action. So we want that, okay, when they select our service, they're going to get an automatic response. So I'm going to click on provide automatic response. What type of response should they get? Let's say I want them to get image plus caption. So I'm going to enter the image which I want them to get here. Let me select the image which I want them to get. Let me select this. Open. We did in several kinds of services. So save. So what I basically just said is that, okay, when they send I and they get our welcome menu and the person select our service, the person is going to get this as a response. So cool. You can also select add other type of response. You can add just, you can use text only. The person can get a video, the person can get a document, and the person can also get a menu. But I'll come back to this very soon. So let's set up this. So subscribe for our mailing list. So for instance, if the person wants to select subscribe for our mailing list, that means the person wants to subscribe for your mailing list. So you can, with Ozi, you can create mailing list on WhatsApp. You can create mailing list on WhatsApp. So yes, add action. What do you want to happen when the person, obviously the person wants to be getting your messages. So I'm going to add an action, and under the action, I'm going to select subscribe contact to a group. So what subscribe contact to a group does is that when the person selects this, he is going to be added to a group. So remember when I was discussing about contacts, I said you can create groups of people. For instance, you can create groups of workers and stuff like that. So let me create a mailing list group. So basically, mailing. So I want to basically be sending out updates to this set of people under this contact. Maybe I want to be sending them morning messages. I want to be sending them help tips or business tips. So that will be our mailing list. So those group of contact, but as you can see, I didn't add any contact to those group of people. So that's where I'm going to use the chatbot now. So basically, when the person selects subscribe to our mailing list, what is going to happen? I selected subscribe contact to a group. Under subscribe contact to a group, I'm going to select, it's going to ask me to select a group. Then I'm going to choose mailing list. Okay, I created two by mistake. So mailing list. So that means the person will automatically, person's contact will automatically be added to this group of people, so that in the future I can be sending them maybe anything I want to send them, maybe tips or some other things. So that's the action I created. Then I can also, another thing, you can also add another action. So after it adds the person to this group, I want to add another action, something that will happen next. So I'm going to click add another action, and the action will be provide automatic response. So this is just watch. So I will add the action will be provide automatic response, then text only. And I say thank you. You successfully subscribed for our mailing list. So that means we basically added the contact to the group, and we told the person that he has already subscribed for the mailing list. So with this, the person's contact is the group, and I can always come to campaigns and send out message to those people that have subscribed for the mailing list. So I'm going to click save. So we've seen two kind of actions you can do based on the chatbot. So place an order. Let's see, place an order. So basically, let's create an action. So this action is going to be maybe, okay, let's change this to, or join our community. Let's change it to join our community. Join. So when a person selects join our community, what is going to happen? We want to add the person to a group chat. So the community, our community is in a group. So basically we want to add the person automatically to the group chat. So I'm going to click on add to group chat. So yes, person is going to be added to the group chat. But right now, which group chat is the person going to be added to? So there will be a group which you have to select. So all the group chats that you currently belong to will be here. So you just select the group you want the person to be added. Let's select this. Then we click save. So basically all the group chat that you belong to will be here. Then click save. So what will happen is that when the person select this, it's going to be automatically added to this group chat. And we also we see it on his WhatsApp that he has been added. And we can also add another action telling the person that you have been added. You have been added to our chat. Then click save. So with chatbot, you can add as many actions as possible. So for instance, so let me create another. Let me create. You can add as many actions as possible, and you can also create sub. So okay, let's go to our service. Let's go back to our services. So we told the person we deal in different kinds of service. But right now, we want to list out the services which we deal with. I want the person to be able to select from those kind of services. So it's why we want to create a menu under our service. So we'll click add another action. After we tell the person we deal in different kind of service, click add another action. And what we want is provide automatic response. Then what kind of response should the person get? The person should get a menu because we want to show the person different kind of service which we offer. So we are going to select menu. The same way which we created our welcome menu, same thing is going to apply here. So we can say, different services which we offer. Let's say car maintenance, car repairs, and car sales. Save. Let me click save. So we've created what we said that after the person select our service, the person will get this action first of all, that we deal in different kind of service, and the person is going to get the menu of the different kind of service which we deal in. So with the person gets car maintenance, car repairs, and car sales. So I'm going to click save. So we see we've created a menu under services. We've created a menu under services. So where do we find? So we created a menu under service: car sales, car maintenance, and car sales, car maintenance, and car repair. So yes, these are them. These are the menus which we created under services, and we can easily format it the way we created. So when the person selects car maintenance, we add an action that. So you see what we did now. We have menu, then we have menu inside that particular menu, and to car maintenance, we can now also provide automatic response when somebody selects car maintenance, and maybe we're going to give the person an image. Maybe give the person an image and some text. We have the best maintenance infrastructure in Nigeria. Maintenance. Sorry, I don't know. So maintenance infrastructure in Nigeria. Infrastructure in Nigeria. So basically, when they select car maintenance, they're going to get this. And we can also add several other actions. That's the way the chatbot works. So you can add actions, you can add menu under it, and you can add a lot more. So you have under services. Let me track back. Under services, we have okay, let me start from welcome menu. Under welcome menu, we have our services, we have subscribe for our mail list, we have join the community. And under our service, we said that when somebody select our services, the person is going to get this as the first action, and the person as the first message, and the person will also get this as the second message. This is a menu for the person to select one out of the three. So when, for instance, if the person selects this car maintenance, let me go to car maintenance. If the person selects car maintenance, what is going to happen? So said that when the person selects car maintenance, we get this, and we can also add as many actions as possible. So that's the way you can create workflows and so many actions on Ozi. So thank you for watching this video, and see you guys in the next one.